Hi there, it's Ben at Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. So just a quick walk around of a little bit of new stock, a little bit different. So it's a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee, it's a 6.4 SRT, and it's got the HEMI V8, so it's just producing just over 461 brake horsepower. And again, I believe this is the red Vapor model, so I think it was a limited edition. Finished in cherry red metallic. It's got 20-inch black chrome alloys. Again, with this model, I think it's got the colour-coded, obviously arches and front bumper with the gloss black inserts on the grille. Absolutely looks stunning. It really needs to be seen in the flesh, really. Obviously got the big air scoops in the bonnet, but absolutely all credit to previous owner. It's been very well cared for. So just have a quick look inside. So it's keyless entry. One house got, I think it's blind spot awareness, there's just in the mirror there. So it's leather and suede with the SRT embossed. Now it's with a pan roof with electric blind, but it is a tilt and slide roof as well. So you've got all the sat nav, reverse camera, heated seats. I think they're ventilated in the front as well. Obviously the overmats and some carpet mats underneath. We've got Harman Kardon on there as well. Sound. Rear privacy glass. It does say looks stunning. You've got heated rear seats in the back. So an absolute price point. It's bang on to compete against the Range Rover SVR. There's a lot of car for your money, and fantastically low miles as well. So just under 34,000 miles. So obviously we've got electric tailgate, boot mats in there as well. Fire extinguisher. I think this is where the LPG tank will be underneath, where the spare wheel would have been. Just on there. Oops. Tailgate all working as it should, so let's just stop the key. So nice big rear tailpipes there. So looks like it's some fresh bit of rubber on there as well, obviously Continentals, but say it really is being very well cared for. So just an angle from driver's rear, let's say really nice. Let's just have a quick jump in. So there's memory looking on there, I think, on the driver's seat. Obviously all electric windows, and again mileage wise 33,989. All your climate control. As I say, we've got the reverse camera on this as well. But yeah, absolute beast of machine. It's definitely well worth coming down to have a look and a test drive. My name's Ben, thanks for watching. If you want to get in touch, telephone number is 01423 33 1133. Thanks for watching, speak to you soon.